Hello folks, do you know that YugabyteDB Managed supports a REST API? So let's roll up our sleeves and dive right into it. First, head over to the YugabyteDB Managed UI and generate a new key. Give it a name, select a role, and define an expiration time. Copy the key once it's ready. Now, simply include this API key in the Authorization HTTP header and make your first API call. Next up, let's retrieve a list of existing YugabyteDB clusters. For this and many other API endpoints, you'll need to provide the accountId and the projectId. After making this API call, I can see that there are no database clusters just yet. Alright, to create a YugabyteDB Managed cluster, you'll need to make a POST HTTP request and provide the necessary cluster configuration details. You can easily check the cluster status using the REST API or the YugabyteDB Managed UI. Finally, let's start a sample application that is streaming market orders into the cluster. Then use the cluster metrics API endpoint to confirm the incoming requests. Job done. Enjoy!